the equation of the ellipse centered at 1 comma 2, the equation of the ellipse centered at 1 comma 2. So let me write the equation of the ellipse. So now the center is not at the origin. X minus h the whole square by a square plus y minus k the whole square divided by b square, that is equal to 1, correct or not? Now the ellipse is centered at 1 comma 2 it seems. So x minus 1 the whole square divided by a square plus y minus 2 the whole square divided by b square, this is equal to 1. The focus is at 6 comma 2. Now you calculate the distance between the center and the focus. You calculate the distance between center and the focus. That is what? Distance between center and focus is denoted by c, right? Any focus, because the distance between the two foci is 2c. So c will be equal to, you calculate this part. So it is nothing but 6 minus 1 the whole square plus 2 minus 2 the whole square. So what is this answer that we get? C is equal to root of 5 square plus 0 square. So c is equal to root of 25. So what is the value of c is equal to 5? Correct or not? The value of c is equal to 5. Now again we can say that a square is equal to b square plus c square, right? A square is equal to b square plus c square. So a square is equal to b square plus 5 square. So a square minus 25, that is equal to what is it? B square, right? This is what equation number 1. I'll put like this. Now this is nothing but the equation number 1. This I'll call it as equation 1. This I'll call it as equation 2. All right. Now the ellipse is passing through this point, right? X comma y. Substitute here. 4 minus 1 will be 3. 9 divided by a square plus 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 square is 16 divided by b square, that is equal to 1. So I will put this as equation number 3 now. Equation number 3. Now we have to solve these two equations, we'll get the answer. Is it okay? We'll solve these two equations, we'll get the answer. So I can say 9 divided by a square plus 16 divided by a square minus 25, that is equal to 1, correct? A square into a square minus 25, that is 9 into a square minus 25 plus what is it? Plus what is it? 16 a square, correct? This is equal to 1. So put a square is equal to k. I'll put k. So 9 times k minus 9 5s are 45, 9 2s are 18, 25 plus 16k, that is equal to k square minus 25k, correct? K square minus 25k. So we'll get here k square minus of 50k plus 225, that is equal to what? 225 is equal to 0. Take the sum and take the product. So you'll get here minus 50 and plus 225, correct or not? Minus 50 and plus 225, which is nothing but minus 45 and minus 5, right? Minus 45 and minus 5. So minus 45 minus 5 is 40 into 5 is 225, right? So we can write here what is the value of k is equal to either 45 or k is equal to 5. I have told you this shortcut. What is that shortcut? Invert the sign of factors here and divide by the coefficient of the highest degree term. That is nothing but 1 in this case. So what is k? K is nothing but a square. K is nothing but a square, correct? K is nothing but a square. That can be either 45 or k is equal to a square is equal to 5. So if a square is 5, then what's the value of b square is equal to? B square is equal to a square minus 25. So b square is equal to here 45 minus 25. So what is the value that we get? B square is equal to 20, correct? Here b square is equal to a square minus 25. So b square is equal to, we'll get 5 minus 25. So b square cannot become minus 20, right? B square cannot become minus 20, so neglect it. So can you tell me what is the required equation of the ellipse then? Here substitute in equation number 1. Substitute a square and b square in equation number 1. So what do you get? X minus 1 the whole square, divided by a square. What's the value of a square? A square is 45 plus y minus 2 the whole square divided by what is it? Divided by b square. B square is 20. That is equal to 1. This will be the answer to the question. Do you get it? This would be the answer to the question.